Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Raiana Chat for your regulatory tasks. Raiana is designed to help you answer questions, draft documents, and prepare responses for regulatory authorities efficiently. Let's dive straight into how it works. To start, you'll want to open a chat and select your agent. The agent defines the specific regulatory framework Raiana will use, such as MDR, IVDR, FDA, or the European AI Act. When you're ready, type your context into the message box at the bottom. Be sure to include enough detail about your product or task so Raiana has the full picture. Then hit enter or click the arrow to send it. As Raiana processes your request, you'll see its reasoning activity in small text. You can follow along with this thought process to catch any incorrect assumptions early on. Once the answer generates, you'll notice underlined regulatory references. Clicking these opens the cited regulation directly in a new browser tab so you can verify the source yourself. Now, let's look at a few features in the message box that can make your workflow much smoother. First, if you're running a complex query that takes a bit of time, use the loudspeaker icon to enable sound notifications. Raiana will play a tone when finished, letting you multitask in another window. Second, if you're not sure how to phrase something, try the prompt improver. Type a short phrase and click the button. Raiana will expand it using your conversation history into a detailed, high-quality prompt, helping you learn how to include the best context. Third, you can attach context and access external data. Enterprise users can click the paperclip to attach files or the factory icon to pull in saved company details from My Raiana. You can also toggle web search using the globe icon. Leave it off if you only want answers from Raiana's core training data, or turn it on if you need to fetch the latest published guidance from external websites. You can check the training data date in the bottom left corner to decide if web search is necessary. Over on the left navigation panel, you can click New to open a fresh workspace without losing your current discussion, or open the prompt library to reuse templates for recurring tasks. Your past discussions are saved in the chat history so you can pick up where you left off. Just be careful with the Clear Conversations button in the middle of the bar. It permanently deletes your entire history, so only confirm if you're absolutely sure. Finally, two important controls at the bottom of your screen. The thinking effort slider controls how deeply Raiana analyzes a question. Automatic works great for general use, low gives you rapid answers for simple queries, and high applies deep reasoning for complex regulatory assessments. Lastly, if you run into any technical issues, click Tech Support. This opens a dedicated support bot that logs a ticket for our customer support team. If you ever need to submit a ticket, make sure to note the software version shown at the bottom of the screen. And that covers the core functionality of Raiana Chat. Thank you for your time, and happy navigating!